So, hello and welcome to a new challenge. I didn't thought I would do a video on this challenge. So it's XLBI challenge 249, but after I did it, it was clear to me that I should do a video out of this because I will use an wrapped scan approach. So two scan functions wrapped together. So here I think this could be cool. So first of all, what do we need to do here? We need to multiply those numbers with a lagging approach. So like here, first multiply the 1 with the 3, then the product of this with the 7, then the product of this product here, so 21 with 3, and so on and so on. And you should do this so often that you came to a single digit number, and also if you have a 0 therein, obviously your calculation will broke because if you multiply something with 0, it gets 0, and from there on you can't go any further. So if you have there a 0 in the result, you should replace it with 1. So enough said. So we need to split this to calculate with it. So split sequence len all of this 1, and now we use the scan function beginning with 1 because we can every time multiply with 1. Use this as our array, lambda AB, A times B, and we get then here something here increasing in multiply values. So here you get, for example, 225 is 5 times 45, and so on and so on. So, but only interesting for this is potentially our last value. And therefore, we will only hand out here the last value, because with this value, we need to calculate further. And now, I will wrap this into a scan function. This is my initial value. My array is some sequence. This sequence doesn't matter. Lambda AB. So A is here our value, B is then here, close all the brackets. What we will now see, we have there a few zeros. That was not on purpose, but I forgot here to substitute the zeros out. So all text, new text. If you substitute numbers, you normally don't need to have their marks here to make the text. You can also use the numbers there. And you see here, I can iterate with A, and A is every time my last my result from before. So here for this A, it's this initial value, but here for A is this value, and here for A is this value, and I therefore go down the ladder and calculate with all those things. Then I only want to have here this 8. 8 times 8 means stays 8, so I don't have anything to do there. And this is the point I want to get to. And if you now only hand out the last digit, you see here everything is done. We can now map this into a single function, lambda A. I know I shouldn't use every time A and B, but if you stay cautious with the brackets, this isn't a problem. And therefore, you have solved this challenge without reduce, what I was looking for, to solve this challenge without reduce, but rather with two wrapped scan functions in another. So I hope you found it also as interesting as I found it. And I hope to see you also in the new videos. Thank you for your attention.